get, set, go. Mastering phrasal verbs with get in questions and negations. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our session where we are diving into the exciting world of English phrasal verbs, specifically focusing on the verb get. Today, we will be exploring how to use phrasal verbs with get in questions and negations. Remember, understanding and correctly using phrasal verbs can make a huge difference in your English language fluency. So, let's get started. Phrasal verbs with get are very common in English, especially in informal speech and writing. They consist of the verb get and a preposition or an adverb. For example, get up, get on, get over, etc. These phrasal verbs can have different meanings depending on the context they are used in. To form questions with phrasal verbs, we simply invert the subject and the auxiliary verb. Remember, do is often the auxiliary verb used with get in present simple and past simple tenses. Here are some examples. Normal statement: you get along with your colleagues. Question: do you get along with your colleagues? To create a negative sentence with get phrasal verbs, we typically use do not or does not, don't, doesn't in informal speech before the verb get. Here's an example to illustrate. Normal statement: I get up at 6 a.m. Negative statement: I do not get up at 6 a.m. Now, it's time to practice. Here are some sentences for you to try forming questions and negations with. 1. She gets on well with her neighbors. 2. They get through the work very quickly. 3. He gets up early to exercise. That's it for today, folks. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use phrasal verbs with get in questions and negations. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using these in your daily conversations and you'll get the hang of it in no time. See you in our next video. Happy learning!